Benefits of Public Transportation. OK, so public transport, right. Sing about it, less pollution. Seriously, I was in London on July 17th. The air was so much cleaner near the tube than on the busy streets. Way fewer cars. That bus I took. Fact. Probably 35 people, minimum. Imagine all those individual cars, the traffic, the fumes. A huge difference, you know. Public transit is all about efficiency. Less fuel burned per person. It's simple maths, really. One bus instead of dozens of cars. Environmental impact reduced. Fewer vehicles on roads. Public transport better for the planet.
Why should we switch to sustainable transport? Less traffic, better cities, cleaner air, smaller carbon footprint, less oil. Isn't survival enough motivation? We're paving paradise, literally. Cities choke, lungs burn, the planet warms. Electric scooter to work. Saves me 20 minutes. And the polar bears, maybe. My commute is now guilt-free, sort of. Still use plastic bags, though. Reduced congestion, fewer cars, smoother flow. Obvious. Enhanced urban life. Quieter streets, more green spaces. Walkable cities. Think Copenhagen. Lower air pollution. Breathe easier, literally. Asthma rates drop. Reduced emissions, 2023 climate goals. Ambitious, necessary. Less reliance on fossil fuels. Energy independence. Geopolitical stability. Big words. My neighbor got a Tesla. Status symbol. Still, fewer emissions. Small victories. The future isn't flying cars, it's bike lanes, and maybe those electric scooters, if they don't end up in the canals, which they do, a lot. Still, progress.